Place the rue in this location, and the money will arrive within 48 hours. The rue plant is ideal for attracting protection to your home and warding off negative energies. Additionally, it helps in drawing abundance and prosperity, but it's crucial to remember that specific areas within your house must be chosen to fully benefit from its magical properties. This is where many people stumble. They fail to identify the correct placement for their plant and then blame it for not yielding the desired results. To prevent this, I will reveal where you should position this wonderful plant so that it directly attracts wealth, bringing prosperity into your life. There's a saying that a home with rue invites divine assistance. This adage is steeped in history and mysticism. Rue has been cherished since ancient times for its therapeutic and spiritual significance.
Beyond its use for digestive issues, rue is also employed in a preparation of 3 leaves per liter, taken thrice daily to alleviate nervous disorders, dizziness, headaches, rheumatism, gout, and various other healing properties. Yet, this shrub offers more. According to ancient Feng Shui philosophy, it is considered a treasure due to its remarkable ability to attract money and prosperity into the home. This is attributed to the special positive energy it emits, promoting financial energy not only within the household but also in business. If you've tried using rue to attract wealth without success, you might be missing a crucial detail: where and how to place it. Firstly, position rue in your office or workspace, especially if you work from home. Placing this bare plant in this area is highly effective because it directly influences your economic endeavors. Rue functions as a magnet for money, facilitating the flow of abundance in a positive manner and presenting new economic opportunities. Simply having this plant on your desk can lead to increased sales and attract new clients. Secondly, situate the rue at the main entrance of your home. This is one of the most auspicious positions for the rue, as it allows positive energy to flow directly into your living space. It also acts as a protective barrier, shielding against negative vibes and financial obstacles. It's highly beneficial to place it right at the entrance of your house. Now, determine whether your plant is a male or female rue. If it's male, placing it on the left side of the entrance, when viewed from the outside, is ideal. For a female rue, recognizable by its occasional yellow flowers, position it on the right side of the main entrance, from outside to inside. This creates a protective field against envy, ill intentions, or any unsettling vibes that might hinder your future projects. As for cleansing your home with rue, the more dried rue you use, the better. This is because using the product directly is more effective, akin to the benefits of consuming 100% natural organic products. Burning dried rue is said to swiftly dispel negative energies, much like burning dried bay leaves. It's essential to place the rue in a container to prevent any potential fires. Close all windows and doors, starting with the entrance, then proceed clockwise through each room. Stand in the corners of each room, turning 3 times with the bowl, while asking for positive energies to enter your home and negative energies to depart. Have you ever felt tired or in a bad mood at home without knowing why, or experienced unexplained breakages or a general sense that things are amiss? If a project didn't materialize, perhaps a door closed, but don't let that discourage you. Treat it as an opportunity to set new goals. This process often requires preparation on not just a mental and physical level, but also on an energetic level. Engaging in rituals with rue isn't merely a matter of superstition, it's a means of refreshing your state of mind, aligning your body with the environment to face new challenges. Before I conclude, I'd like to ask if you have an affinity for plants. I'll be sharing more videos on this topic. Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.